everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am super excited to present this Diamond Art Club sneak peek. Why? This is Star Trek. I remember growing up with my grandfather when I was in grade school watching Star Trek Next Generation. Then he introduced me to the series before, and I got to see Captain Kirk in his chair. And oh my gosh, look who showed up. Looks just like him. Of course, look at this beam me up Scotty, his little thing that has all the fun in it. Don't you wish you had a little emblem or brooch or whatever you want to call it that you could just tap and go anywhere you wanted? Also, if you notice down here, Diamond Art Club has made their square, so you know that this is square. And I just noticed this. Look on the side. It says, "Unleash your inner artist." You've got the Enterprise right there. This box is stunning. Definitely a collector's item. I love when Diamond Art Club takes it to the next level with their collecting pieces. So I am going to unbox this. We're going to turn around and we're going to dive in deep and see what does Captain Kirk and Diamond Art Club have in store for us. Be right back. Fresh out of the box, as you can see, Diamond Art Club with their logo, with their little tagline, do what makes you sparkle. It is not only sealed in the box, but when you open the box, it's also sealed in this plastic to ensure no matter what happens to your outside box or your designer box, that you still receive a state-of-the-art, classy, no damage at all canvas. Then you have your toolkit, and then you have this little sticker. So this sticker tells you everything that you need to know. This is by Captain Kirk, CBS Studios, Star Trek, the original series. It's a diamond shape, is square, and it's a 25.6 inch by 32 inches, which translates into 65 centimeters by 81. This is about a medium size for me. You can use this sticker in your logbook. You can use it on the end of your box, depending on how you store it. You can use it on top of your storage, whatever you would like. Then you get the traditional upgraded Diamond Art Club toolkit. Now, what I mean by upgraded is, you always have to help your person feel pampered when they're doing a diamond painting, and Diamond Art Club does just that. So here we go. We're going to get a white tray with a stopper. You're going to get a random washi tape color. Sorry about that. You're going to get the heart wax. Make sure you peel the plastic off the top of the wax. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many times when I first started I forgot to do that. Just a little tip, otherwise you'll think you're going crazy. You're going to get a cute little random cover minder. Now, what do you use a cover minder for? There's plastic that covers your painting to keep the sticky stick. But when you're putting the drills on, you need to take the plastic off. Where does the plastic go? It goes in your way, on your hands, all over the place. So this holds it back. You put one magnet on the back of the canvas, you put the pretty part on the front, and that holds your cover back. You also get some plastic baggies. I love they give you just the right amount that you need. You're also going to get beautiful sparkle single placer. The squishy will be matching it. Love that little added. You're going to get a sharp tweezer when you have a square, beautiful there, and then you're going to get multi-placers in a 4 and a 7. So that is your toolkit. So now let's do a deep dive into the canvas itself and the beautiful square drills. Let's see what Captain Kirk has for us. Oh, it's the velvety patent pending background or the back of the canvas. I still remember when I had my first DAC, how amazing it felt. It's so different from other companies. And then you have the pleasure of unwrapping your gift to yourself or from somebody else. That's right, you can gift yourself. Don't worry, it's called self-care. I'm a therapist. You want to care for yourself. My dog, Miss Zoe, thinks so as well, if you heard her in the background. So you're gonna get this wonderful thank you for your purchase. It's gonna tell you how to diamond paint. It's gonna tell you what's included in the kit, and it's gonna give you some options for 20% off your next purchase through the app. It is your first purchase though. You're also gonna get another sticker that you can put in your log with the start date, end date, tells you what shape it is, and then it gives you all of these symbols. These are peel off, so you can put them on your storage, or if you want to use the baggies, you can put them on the baggies. Take a look at those symbols. I've never struggled with Diamond Art Club symbols. All right, look at this canvas. It's so beautiful. All right, let's dive in. Crinkle, crinkle. It's Christmas when it crinkles. I'll try to make it short and sweet. Okay, just so you can see, you have your key on the right and your key up here on the left. So no matter which area of the canvas you have your key. You also have your stickers as well that you can pull from. Now, one of the things on this we can see straight from the sticker sheet is that there is a 141. Anything that's below a 150 is an AB. What is an AB? It is a special drill that has a special coating on it. Its AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It gives it just a little extra sparkle and sheen on top of your already beautiful sparkle. So let's see. This canvas does have a lot of white. This is why you would want to use your multi-placer to get that white done quickly so you can dive into your colors. So these are all the whites. You've got your grays. Now, I did not realize this. You guys should have told me. Down here at the bottom, there is an L728 and there's a Z440. What does that mean? Oh my goodness. That means you have these fun drills. I do believe that Z means glow in the dark. Yes. So we're gonna have some fun glow in the dark going on here in the yellow. We're gonna check out where that goes in just a minute. Then we have our 141s right here. 2 packets, people. 2 whole packets. We're gonna see where this goes. You know it's gonna be stunning when there's 2 packets of fun drills. And then here, oh my goodness, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets of crazy fundum. So although there is some white in here, which is the 3865, you have some zazzle colors. All right, so you've got some grays in there. Let's see if we can find those fun thrills. We're gonna be looking. Now, they did do $9.39 instead of $3.10. And then we have a little bit of $3.10 probably for his boots. We got them some $3.36. That's a dark blue. Okay, let's see here. We're still on the lookout. All right, so here's some of your detail drills right here. Just a couple there in the packets. All right, this is crystal. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna see where that crystal is. So that's what the L means. All right, so the Z actually, oh my goodness, guys, why didn't you slap me? I think, oh my goodness, the Z means fairy dust. Let's look here. Let's look on the package. Let's see what we got. This is why you need to read your package. Yes, so 32 colors, an AB, a transcendent diamond, and a fairy dust. You guys, smack me, smack me. Okay, these are not glow in the dark. These are fairy dust. Have you ever received 2, 4, 5 packets of fairy dust? Do you know what this is? This has a little bit of dust, like a sparkle, almost like a glitter in it. I cannot wait to do this and show you. So let's clear off the drills and let's see where these specials go. All right, so we've cleared off the drills and we're gonna dive deep into this to see where the specials go. First, let's show you how clear the drill space is. You can see all of the spaces. So clear. All right. So right in here and throughout his shirt is where the fairy dust is going to go. Also in the Captain Kirk area, you're going to have some fairy dust as well. Then when we check for the 141s, that's going to be throughout his name, Captain Kirk. And then it's also going to be here in this dial of sorts. So anywhere you see the white and then it transitions into gray. So that's where your ABs, 141, are going to go. And then where are your crystals? That's the E. Let's find the E. Do, 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 do. Let's find the E. Okay, so I'm back. I found the E. So the E is going to be roughly under here just to kind of, and some through his shirt to give you a little depth. The crystals are going to be there. So I am super excited. You've got your Enterprise over here coming through the radar. You've got beautiful fairy dust throughout the yellows. This is hands-on, going to be amazing. You know, Diamond Art Club has outdone themselves. You know, they gave us Scooby-Doo, they gave us Harry Potter, they gave us, you know, Chips and Potato, they gave us Sesame Street and Teletubbies, and now they're giving us Star Trek. What else is up the sleeve of DAC? I cannot wait to find out. So until next time, be blessed, take care. I love you all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.